Dude, look at this square steering wheel right here. Dude, this feels epic in here. Which, there's actually something really scary about this car, and that is this price. So before this video gets started, we're going to the jewelry store here.
I've got a lot more in back.
Oh,
but this
sweet.
is in your price range.
Ooh.
The oyster. That is your most popular 36 millimeter date just with your engine turn bezel, white Roman dial, all factory.
That's a sick one right there. Absolutely love that.
10,000.
Ooh.
It's got the original tags, an original box.
Put it on, put it on. Let's see this one. I love something with a little bit of gold or some black or some color into it. These are nice too, but I feel like this stands out a little bit more, you know, as a Rolex. But this is all real gold right here,
It's
right?
all 18 karat gold.
I just like how it stands out a little bit better.
And the blue with the numeral dial with the markers, that's what it's going to do. It's going to catch people's eyes, and it's got the box with it. And I can have you papers by the end of the day. The big thing about this too, it's got the original tags, which really makes it look good. See, this tag right here tells you what year it is, movement number, style number.
So what's the price on it?
He said $5 even.
No, I didn't.
Asking 7. You're gonna give us 52.
That's the original factory sticker when it came from the factory. That shows how little.
That's a nice one.
That's
I
the
might have to
one.
keep it for myself.
That's sick. We don't even have Rolexes for ourselves, and we're giving one away. So
It's sad, but
that's
it's awesome.
crazy. It is awesome. So let's go ahead and write it up. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Take care.
Appreciate it. Nice meeting you.
Appreciate it.
Simon,
Take
I'll talk
care.
to you in a little bit.
Sounds good. Ooh, that's a beauty, dude.
Can I have it?
Can I have it? Take care. See ya. Is that not the craziest thing ever, dude? I've never seen anybody do that. We don't even got Rolexes. Guys, there's only 8 days left of this truck giveaway along with $35,000 cash. And as you guys know, we have been doing some crazy throw-ins, especially this holiday season. And today we are doing the craziest one right here. Look at this. This is an all original Rolex. Absolutely fire right there. I want this sucker for myself, but you know what? One of you guys is gonna get it. And what we're doing for the next 24 hours, we're gonna pick one random order and you're gonna get this in your order right here. This is an all original Rolex watch right here. Comes with papers and all that good stuff. So check out goonzquad.com, check out all the official rules, copy some gear, and you might just be the one. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are here at the Goon Squad garage, and today we are gonna be revealing a brand new build to you guys. You can tell by the title of this video what it is, and it's actually a 2023 Corvette C8. And of course, we got this sucker wrecked off of an auction lot. We didn't go to the auction to inspect it. We just did our old eyeball inspection, and everything checked out to be pretty good. The damage is not too crazy. Definitely something that we're capable of. And the biggest thing that really caught our attention was the fact that it is a clean title, which that's just awesome. That's just gonna make the whole process so much easier as far as like paperwork. There's not gonna be any paperwork pretty much. We're just gonna sign the title and that's just gonna be it. But also guys, this thing is arriving here in a little bit. I think somebody's bringing it just on a regular trailer. It's missing some suspension, so we're probably gonna have to use the skid steer to unload it. But I'm excited about this right here because we haven't rebuilt an American Muscle in a, is that an American Muscle vehicle right there?
American muscle car, yeah.
Well, we haven't rebuilt one of those in a minute, so we're super pumped about that. There's been a lot of hype about these suckers, so we really just want to test it out for ourselves. So either way it goes, it's going to be a super exciting project, and we're just excited to take you guys along this whole entire process. So let's just go ahead and wait for the driver to pull up, and let's get it off the trailer and get straight to work.
Dude, our car is here.
Our car is here, guys.
Woo. FedEx is the cheapest way to ship cars now, dude.
That's crazy. Let's see how they got this sucker packaged in here. Hopefully it's bubble wrapped. There it is, our new build. C8, why does it say C8 on it? Oh, it's our C8 bumper, dude.
We ordered one?
Yeah.
Oh, the custom one.
The sick C8 bumper. That is awesome. That's crazy. This pulled up before our actual build did.
Dude, that is epic. But hey, we're getting parts in, that means.
Hey, this time we're not slacking on parts.
Oh, no.
We're about to go to the dealership today, too.
Yes. guys, so our brand new build is finally here and we are super excited. We thought this thing was gonna come in like at 10 in the morning, but we are 10 hours later. It's already dark, but we are excited that this thing is finally in the shop. And dude, look at this, man.
What, dude? This thing looks absolutely wild. Honestly, I will say I was not a huge C8 fan, but seeing this thing in person, it looks sick,
It
dude.
looks sick, and this is probably the best color you can get your C8 in, man. This just makes all the body lines look absolutely insane. Even though this thing is wrecked, man, we're looking past it because it's gonna be done and it's gonna look sick, and this thing is just insane, dude.
It is. Look at the blue compared to this blue now.
It makes that blue just like look a little bit dull. It looks a little green now. That's kind of weird, man. I love this blue. Whatever you call it, man, that's a nice GM blue, right?
It is, dude. But where the heck do we start with this thing, dude?
Dude, I guess we'll start where we're standing right here, where probably the most damage occurred is towards the rear end of this car, and the suspension is completely missing. It looks like it just got ripped out of here. Control arms are ripped up. A bunch of suspension stuff is ripped up. Axle, drive shaft is yanked out of there. There's some crackage. I don't know if that's subframe or a frame section.
Oh,
has some
shoot.
cracking there. There's a bunch of stuff just leaning, just drooping. Quarter panels cracked up. I mean, this is insane, but you know what the good thing is? It's a Corvette. That means everything's fiberglass,
Fully
dude.
fiberglass from the fenders to the bumpers to the roof. Dude, that's awesome. Easy to work on,
Easy
dude.
to work on, and I believe fiberglass parts are cheaper as well. So hopefully these parts are not too expensive. Instead of fixing most of this stuff, we can just buy brand new from the dealer and just replace it right away.
And I tell you right now, we're gonna need a lot of parts for this thing,
Hey,
dude.
that's why we kind of waited before we ordered too many parts. You know, we got a big box over there, but we want to make sure to write everything down. Like we like to, you know, go to the dealer, spend some money, and get everything really fast. But just moving on to the side, look at this. This is like a vent right here. You know, this is like Corvette's first supercar right here. Rear engine Corvette. This is bringing us back to the roots, you know. The first Corvette that we got,
Dude,
that thing was a beast.
That thing was a
dude.
beast, but this is a whole different animal
I
right
wonder
here,
if this
dude.
has more horsepower than like the LT4 engine, you know what I
I
mean?
think so, dude.
Dude, that's gonna be insane. But anyways, the door got some 2 holes in here. We can possibly just patch that right up. The side skirts, dude, look at that, man. It's almost designed like a supercar. You know, the quarter panels are small, the side skirts, the doors, do they go up? That'd be awesome, dude.
We'll make him go up. No, I think if they go sideways, that'll be just cool right there.
That mirror looks sick right there.
Yes,
it looks
dude.
like a supercar mirror right here, man. This is insane. Moving on to the front, which just
My
looks-
favorite angle, dude.
It looks so good, dude. That front end, I love the new headlights that they redesigned, and the front end's like shorter instead of the old Corvettes. They have a super long front end. The vents right here, the wheels, which I am not a fan of, dude. Look how ugly those are, dude.
Oh, we're
You
going to
can't-
delete those
Dude,
right
we
there,
gotta
dude.
delete those. Man, look at that brake dust on here. Somebody was riding it hard, dude. You see that?
But you know what? It's
Dude.
interesting, though, because there's no airbags deployed on the inside, so how did this wreck actually occur?
Yeah, that is very interesting. Maybe the car was parked because we have no key as well. So there's no keys in the car. The doors don't even open. I think the battery system, everything is dead. So we'll have to figure that out. But this car possibly could have got rear-ended, parked on the side of the street or something like that.
Yeah.
And it spun and all sorts of stuff. But the front end, for the most part, looks really good. Bumper got a few scratches. Lip got a few bends in it. But other than that, dude, it's beautiful. Hood is still in perfect condition, dude. Look at that,
Fiberglass,
man.
dude, that is
Beautiful.
awesome. Suspension, some of the suspension, that's a good sign right
This
there.
is a really good sign, and it's a good sign it's up here instead of in the interior.
Oh my
'cause some
goodness.
auctions or tow truck drivers, they'll just toss stuff in the interior and damage it. But dude, this is awesome. We got our brake caliper right here, a few suspension components, the wheel, the tire, and everything else that we definitely will need, dude.
Exactly, but for the most part, the front end is not too bad. Let's move along to this side over here. Door's perfect over here, and
door's
fender.
perfect. Fender's good. This whole side blade is good. I mean, the whole roof is good. And look at this, man. It got that T-top. They still retain that, dude. I love the Corvettes for that because you can just pop that off and go cruising. Dude, this whole entire side is good. This big, whatever you call it, engine
Engine cover,
compartment.
dude.
Look how huge that thing is, man. It's like the
Wow.
whole back end
Is there a motor there?
Oh my goodness, man. That just looks so sick, man. I'm just so excited. I may be talking too fast how excited I am, dude.
Dude, this is gonna be a sick car right here. I can't wait to fire it up, hop into that interior and just go cruising, dude.
In the interior, this is a 3LT package, which is, I believe, the highest package. So the interior is insane. And it even has color of the exterior on the interior. We'll show you guys that later once we open it up. But this is the most damage right here. This is probably the area where it got hit the first. You know, somebody possibly just ran into this. You can even see that's like plastic from another car possibly. You see that?
Yep, a white car it looks like, dude.
Damage. Look at this, dude. That's like the little tub thing that's cracked. The exhaust got destroyed. New exhaust is gonna go on there. The rear end is, I mean, it honestly doesn't look too bad. You know what I mean?
Yeah, honestly, I'm actually excited that it's damaged because we get to see what this sucker is made of. We get to tear it apart and show you guys the guts.
Dude, that's the cool thing about what we do, man. You go buy a new Corvette, you just look at it. For us, we're gonna look in it, dude.
Exactly, that's what I'm talking about right there. But I guess as of right now, I think the main thing to do would be to maybe go to the dealership, dude.
Get a list, dude. Get a whole list, write everything down, and then go.
Alrighty guys, so we just got a whole entire list together of parts that we need just by basically looking from the exterior and stuff that we obviously know that's damaged, like some suspension components. But look at this, we already cracked open the interior and the back end over here. All we had to do was plug up the battery to the front. And looking back here, dude, it actually looks kind of scary because this is all fiberglass, this is fiberglass like components right here. Look, it's broken right there, and honestly, I'm not seeing where it like comes apart. Hopefully it does come apart, but honestly I feel like it's on glue because I remember working on the Z06 Corvette back in the day. A lot of stuff like this was glued on, so that might be a little bit tricky, but you know what, we'll figure it out. Look at that motor in there, dude.
Dude, it's far back there, dude.
That looks beautiful, dude. That looks sick. That's a LT5 right there. Imagine that thing right there cammed out, just chopping around, dude.
That'd be insane. Of course, you got this big storage where you actually stored the roof of this thing, but
oh, nice.
Some old carpets. Is that even from this thing? Kind of has a weird blue.
You can see the blue stitching right there, and a little, wow, look, it's got leather wrapped around the edges. That's pretty sick.
We're gonna have to save those.
Yeah, we'll probably have to pressure wash them suckers right there, but dang, look at this. This whole entire thing looks like it's crushed right here, and I think it's all fiberglass as well, so we definitely got to buy this and we got to buy that, so we're gonna write that on our list. Dang, the quarter panels got destroyed from the inside, but luckily this thing right here is good. That's a massive lid right there.
Oh yeah, dude, I'm surprised that thing is good,
dude. But let's hop into the interior, dude. This interior is absolutely sick. Look at this door right here, full leather. You got the blue that almost looks identical to the paint. I'm gonna go ahead and sit in this sucker for the very first time. Oh, dude, look at this square steering wheel right here, dude. This feels epic in here, man.
Dude, it feels like, it looks like a you know, like a supercar. You know what I mean?
It does. Literally, all like the controls go up right here, dude. This is epic feeling. Whoa, look at this roof right here. It's got Alcantara.
So this is like a blue, dark navy blue Alcantara, and the leather's like a dark navy blue, dude. That looks sick.
It's not like a black. Yeah, it is like a different tint. So that's really cool right there. I can't wait to turn this sucker on, man, which means we got to get a key. We're going to get a key for, oh, wow, 2,700 miles, dude.
That's low. No key found. If we can find the owner, please ship us the key.
Yeah, if the owner is watching this video, it would be awesome to maybe work out a deal and get that key. But look at this seat right here, dude. This seat is sick. It's got carbon fiber on the inside right there. We're definitely gonna clean this sucker up probably a little bit later.
Hey, it does have seat airbags. They're not even blown, dude.
How did those not blow out, dude?
That's weird, man.
That's super interesting. Just this whole wreck is very interesting, but you know what? No big deal. We're gonna figure it out. We're gonna get this sucker ripping. We're gonna get this sucker to original spec. It's gonna be like nothing ever even happened. So right now we're gonna go ahead, grab our list, run to the dealership, and see what kind of numbers they give us. looking at over here,
Dude,
dude?
Z06, that's insane, man.
That is wild. I love how this sucker just looks overall. It's a lot wider than the regular C8, right?
Oh yeah, I think maybe a couple inches wider on either side. It definitely sits wider. Front bumper is way different on this thing.
Heck yeah.
It is, dude.
Got a good price on it too, 138,000, dude.
Not bad. Go ahead and throw it on the card, dude.
Dude, imagine. But overall, you know what? We're happy with RC8 and we're gonna make it look sick. How the prices on the parts look, dude?
It's gonna be around $10,000. So we got a whole entire list. We went through everything. We got a bunch of stuff ordered already, and there's actually a few things you got to be certified to order. So we're gonna see what we can work out. We'll talk about that a little bit later.
Dude, hopefully we can repair this car, because what he was saying is like you have to have a special license to be certified.
Yeah.
Which is insane, dude.
You may have to get certified.
You're
real
certified
quick.
though,
I'm
right?
certified in anything, dude.
Exactly. But man, look at these wheels, dude. Look how sick that looks right there.
I wish we had wheels like that, dude.
We're gonna do some sick wheels,
Yeah,
man.
for sure. Those wheels are super sick, just right out of the factory, man. This car looks upgraded, looks way better, but I feel like our color is just so much
Dude.
better than this, dude.
Honestly, our car kind of stands out more than this car. For
the interior is not even all that, you know. It's just
see
a
it.
white interior right there. Ours has all kinds of cool stuff.
yeah, this
going
is a
on.
3LZ, so it is the highest package too, but it's 138,000. That doesn't really add up. I thought these things were like 200,000, dude.
Yeah, maybe they got a good deal going on it, man. We may
Let-
have to do something with it.
We might have to do the same front end, dude.
Oh, dude, that would be sick. What about
That-
the rear end on this
The,
thing?
oh, the exhaust out the back in
I
the
don't see
center.
why they didn't do that, because on every car, because you know that's how the Corvettes are. You know.
Yeah, they should have
had
done
the
that.
exhaust in the center, but you know what? They saved the best for the Z06. But I think ours is gonna sound
Better.
really good, even better.
Alrighty guys, we are back from the dealership, and that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, because we are gonna tear this sucker apart in the very next one, which is gonna be today. But you know what, we gotta get to filming and all that good stuff. Super happy with the prices, honestly, at the dealership. To repair this whole entire thing and parts, it's gonna cost us $10,000. That includes some crazy stuff as well, which there's actually something really scary about this car, and that is this frame rail right here. You see how it's cracked off in the back? We really don't know how much of it's actually cracked off, but that piece is the piece that we cannot get unless you're certified. So it's exactly right here. And honestly, actually they didn't price this for us. So if anybody out there maybe has a parts car that can sell us that part, that would be amazing. That's the only part literally that we can't get. Everything else, super easy to get. It's gonna be super easy, I think, to work on as well. But the crazy thing about this build is this whole rear end is about to just come completely apart, and we're just gonna have this motor exposed right there. It's gonna be so awesome, guys. But with all that being said, thank you guys so much for all the love and support. Definitely drop all your comments and thoughts down below. We'll catch you guys next time. Peace.